Jack, where is my phone?
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I looked, but it's not there.
Did you see it on the table?
No, it's not on the table.
Maybe it's in the living room.
I already looked there.
Did you check the kitchen?
Not yet. I will check now.
I will come with you.
Thanks, Jack.
Look, is it on the chair?
No, not there.
Maybe it fell on the floor.
Maybe. I will look under the sofa.
Did you find it?
No, it's not under the sofa.
How about the bedroom?
Okay, let's go.
Look on the bed.
It's not here.
Check the small table near the window.
Wait! I see something.
Is it your phone?
Yes, it is here.
I'm glad you found it.
Thank you, Jack.
You're welcome.
I feel so silly.
Don't worry, it happens.
I always lose my phone.
Maybe keep it in your bag next time.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Or use a phone case with a clip.
That's smart.
Then you won't lose it.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime, Emma.
Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
What is your name?
My name is Laura Smith.
Your reservation is for one night, correct?
Yes, for one night.
Do you want a single or double room?
A single room, please.
Very well. Here is your key. Your room number is 305 on the third floor. Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. That is very kind.
I will call someone to help you.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Is Wi-Fi available here?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free, and here is the password.
Can I get a map of the city?
Of course. Here is a map for you.
Are there any restaurants near the hotel?
Yes, there are many restaurants around the hotel.
Is the swimming pool open?
Yes, the pool is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We can also call a taxi for you anytime.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Oh, no, Emma. I forgot my key.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I checked my pockets. It's not there.
Did you look in your bag?
Yes, I looked, but nothing. Maybe I left it at school.
Oh, that's possible.
My phone battery is low.
Don't worry. Use my phone.
Thank you, Emma. You are kind. I will call my sister. She may be at home. Hello, Anna?
What did she say?
She said she is not home.
Oh, no. What will you do?
Maybe I can wait outside.
It's cold here, Mark.
Yes, I feel cold already.
Let's go to the cafe near the house.
That's a smart idea. We can wait there.
But what if no one comes home?
Someone will come later. I hope so.
Next time, don't forget your key. Maybe keep an extra key in your bag.
Yes, that's a good plan. Or give me one. Then I can save you again.
That's what friends are for. Hi, Tom. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, Anna. Hello.
Is the bus late today?
I think so. It is already 10 minutes late.
Oh no. I am late for work.
Me too. I hope it comes soon.
Which bus are you waiting for?
Bus number 5. And you?
Bus number 5, too.
We go the same way. That's good. We can wait together.
Yes, it is nicer with company.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every day for work.
Me too.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It is often crowded.
Yes, I agree. Do you read on the bus?
Yes, I read a book on my phone.
Look, the bus is coming.
Finally.
Hurry, let's get in.